Outfitted with colossal, low-pressure tundra tires, high wings, and robust piston engines, these planes are ready to conquer the most remote corners of the Earth. Bush airplanes are the unsung heroes of general aviation, offering vital passenger and flight services to places where runways are non-existent and roads are impassable. Whether it's the icy wilderness of the Canadian North, the rugged Alaskan tundra, the vast African savannas, the dense Amazon rainforest, or the arid Australian outback, these aircraft are the true masters of the wilderness. So subscribe, like, and join us as we unveil the elite among these aerial wilderness and the finest bush planes the world has ever known. Barrow's Bear Hawk. Designed for use in bushes and rugged terrains, this high-wing, amateur-built aircraft was introduced to the general aviation market in 1995 as a kit. It features a 4-seat enclosed cabin and a single engine in a tractor configuration. The wings are constructed from aluminium, while the fuselage is made of welded steel tubing and covered with doped aircraft fabric. With a 24-foot fuselage and a 33-foot wingspan, this aircraft generates enough lift to support a maximum weight of 2,700 pounds. It is equipped with a powerful 250 horsepower engine and is capable of cruising at 135 knots, covering a distance of 625 miles. As a kit plane, it is ideal for aviation enthusiasts who enjoy do-it-yourself projects and wish to take off and land in remote areas without the need for a traditional runway. Aviat Husky. Powered by a robust Lycoming O360A1P engine and featuring a high-wing design, this Husky is reliable, strong, and ready to tackle rugged conditions, making it the perfect companion for the adventurous spirit. It is a tandem 2-seat, high-wing utility light aircraft manufactured by Aviat Aircraft of Wyoming. Its structure consists of steel tube frames and Dacron covering, except for the rear of the fuselage with metal leading edges on the wings. The high-wing design offers excellent visibility, making the Husky ideal for observation and patrol roles. It has been used for various utility missions, including fisheries patrol, pipeline inspection, glider towing, and border patrol. The Kenya Wildlife Service operates 7 of these aircraft for aerial patrols of elephant herds in the fight against illegal ivory poaching, highlighting its effectiveness as a bush plane. Cessna 208 Caravan. The Cessna 208 Caravan comes equipped with a fixed tricycle landing gear, but it can be customized with various types of landing gear, allowing it to operate in a wide range of environments. Common adaptations include floats with retractable landing gear on the Caravan amphibian model and skis, making it capable of operating on water, snow, unprepared runways, and even glassy surfaces. This utility aircraft was developed by Cessna Aircraft in the early 1980s. It is a single-engine turboprop bushflyer that accommodates 9 passengers and a single pilot, boasting a length of nearly 38 feet and a wingspan of 52 feet. Its power comes from a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6, a turboprop engine capable of generating 676 shaft horsepower, enabling a cruising speed of 186 knots and covering a distance of 1,230 miles. Piper PA 160 Super Cub. The Super Cub's high-lift wing and potent engine made it a top choice for conversion into either a float plane or skip plane. Its exceptional ability to take off and land in short distances has earned it widespread acclaim among many bushplane lovers. Initially, the Super Cub was set to feature a unique 4-wheel tandem main landing gear tailored for rough terrain operations, but this was later replaced with conventional landing gear. The PA-18 Super Cub has garnered a dedicated following within the bush flying community, leading to numerous modifications being developed for it, making original versions quite rare to come by. Introduced by Piper Aircraft in 1949, this 2-seat, single-engine monoplane evolved from the PA-11 Cub Special. With over 10,000 units built during nearly 40 years of production, Super Cubs are commonly employed in roles such as bush flying, banner towing, and glider towing. Gips Aero GA-8 Airvan. The Gips Aero GA-8 Airvan is a turboprop plane with 10 seats, manufactured in Australia. It boasts a gross weight of 4,750 pounds, a height of 12 feet 9 inches, and a fuel capacity of 153 US gallons. The aircraft measures just over 33 feet in length and has a wingspan exceeding 40 feet, making it quite impressive for a bush plane. Designed for operations in remote and austere environments, the GA-8 is versatile, performing tasks like passenger services, freight transport, sightseeing, parachuting, observation, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue missions. Its rugged design prioritizes durability and user-friendliness. The aircraft features a climb rate of 1,000 feet per minute and a cruise speed of 167 miles per hour. Cubcrafters Carbon Cub. Equipped with a robust CC363i engine and an ultralight carbon fiber frame, this aircraft excels in short takeoff and landing performance, making it perfect for any backcountry flying enthusiast. It is an ASTM-certified light sport aircraft, inspired by the Piper J3 Cub and manufactured by Cubcrafters. This modernized version features lightweight carbon fiber components and a 180 horsepower engine. The airframe is constructed from welded steel tubing, aluminium, and strategically used carbon fiber, all covered in doped aircraft fabric. Its wingspan of 34 feet covers an area of 179 square feet. Daher Kodiak. Built by Quest Aircraft, the Kodiak is an American utility plane powered by a single turboprop engine with fixed tricycle landing gear. Known for its suitability for short takeoff and landing operations from unimproved airfields, making it an exceptionally effective bush plane. The Kodiak is relatively new, having made its maiden flight in 2004, and over 250 units had been delivered by 2018. The aircraft can accommodate up to 9 passengers and 1 pilot, measuring over 34 feet in length and more than 15 feet in height. It has a wing area of 240 square feet, a cruising speed of 174 knots at 12,000 feet, and a maximum speed of 183 knots. The Kodiak can fly for approximately 10 hours and has a maximum takeoff weight of 7,255 pounds. De Havilland Canada DHC-6 Twin Otter. The de Havilland Canada DHC-6 Twin Otter is a versatile 19-passenger short takeoff and landing bush plane, utilized by skydiving teams, cargo and medical evacuation units, as well as U.S. military parachuting and aviation teams. This aircraft's popularity spans both civil and military sectors, especially among bush pilots. It can be operated by 1 or 2 pilots and features a 50-foot fuselage and a 65-foot wingspan. It is equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PT-6A engines, each generating 760 shaft horsepower. The aircraft cruises at 182 knots and has a range of 920 miles. Bush pilots particularly appreciate this plane for its powerful and reliable turboprop engines and the enhanced performance provided by its twin-engine setup. Murphy Rebel. The Murphy Rebel is a 2- or 3-seat, strut-braced, high-wing tail-dragger monoplane available in kit form from Murphy Aircraft. Designed as a personal-use bush plane, the Rebel is a short takeoff and landing aircraft capable of operating from short, unimproved airstrips and carrying a useful load of up to 750 pounds. The aircraft features a strut-braced high wing, an enclosed cabin with seating for 2 or 3 accessed via doors, fixed conventional landing gear, and a single engine in a tractor configuration. Constructed from sheet aluminum, the Rebel has a 30-feet wingspan, employs a modified NACA 4415 airfoil, and spans 149 square feet. PAC P750X STOL. Previously known as the PAC 750XL, It is a utility aircraft featuring a conventional all-metal low-wing monoplane design with a fixed tricycle undercarriage. It combines the engine and wings of the Peak Cresco with a larger fuselage and modified tail. Powered by a 750 horsepower Pratt and Whitney Canada PT6 turboprop, Pacific Aerospace offers the plane in various configurations, including passenger, freight or cargo, skydive, agricultural and aerial survey and surveillance roles. The aircraft excels on rough, unpaved airstrips and can be equipped with wide tires for this purpose. For passenger and cargo operations, the cabin can be outfitted with up to 9 passenger seats or cargo holds. Additionally, an optional 1,000 pounds capacity cargo pod can be attached to the belly of the aircraft. Zenith STOL CH-701. The Zenith STOL CH-701 and CH-750 are a series of light, 2-seat kit-built STOL aircraft designed by Canadian aeronautical engineer Chris Heinz through his company, Zenair, based in Ontario. Intended for off-runway operations, the all-metal CH-701 boasts numerous features that enhance its performance, including a high-lift wing with full-span, non-movable leading-edge slots, an all-flying rudder, large tires, flaperons, and an inverted elevator. Heinz also designed a unique tricycle gear amphibious float system for the CH-701.